Our first team to serve, the Holy City Division.
This is fight for bronze for Sibira 2025. Secondary girls. Mandawi City versus Gilman City. Total 3 match. First point goes to Mandawi. Ganda ng jump serve. Ace. 2 serving 0. Ganda naman mag-jump serve. 1 to play. Good spike. Babalang isip. Outside. 1 serving 2. So we are here at Banga Gym in Bayawan. Attack point for number 4 of Gilman. Good serve. Bigla sa opposite. Sa gitna. Lakas. Lumusot sa gitna. Quick attack and point for Mandawi. Binigay sa open. Hindi pumasok. 6 serving 4. Ito ng reception. Binigay sa open. Ito. Hindi na nahabol. 5 serving 6. Again, this is Gilman in brown. Mandawi City. Quezon for Gilman. Open. Oh, nakanalibero. And that was in for Gilman. First deadlock at 7-all. Over receive. Lock. Open. Outside. Open. Wow. Lakas nun. 9 serving 7. Mandawi serving, over receive, and that was inside. 10 serving 7. Binigay sa middle. Pasok. It's 8 serving 10. Gilman serving. Putting in brown. Binigay sa quick. Open. Next over receive. Punto sa Gilman. Again, we are here at the Banga Gym in Banga, Bayawan City for the regional Sibira 2025. This is volleyball girls secondary. Nakuha. Ina natin. Free ball para sa Gilman. Sa gitna. Outside. This is a 2 out of 3 match for bronze. Mamaya yung championship at 3 out of 5. Control. So 10 serving 11, isa lang. Quite close ang kanilang scoring to. Wow, back kick. At mag-ball check yung block. Second deadlock at 11-all. Gandang laro. Wow. Ganda ng float ng spiker. Ang lakas nun ni Ramas. Display number 14. Score is 12-all. Open. Oh, hindi na control. Another deadlock at 13 all. Another Regalo by Mandawi. We had a substitution for Gilman. Natin, nabigay sa middle, block. Nabigay sa open. Open ng Gilman. Pasok. Change of lead. It's 15, serving 14. Oh! Net violation. Sayang, nakuha ka lang sana. Another deadlock. Ito na. Yun, nakuha. Yan natin. 3 ball for Mandawi. There's a block. There's a quick. And ball over. Ganda ng laro. Another deadlock, 16 all. Ito, tingnan natin. Hindi na nakuha. This Mandawi serving. Again, this is fight for bronze in Sibira 2025. Not overset. Aga nga pala nilaro. It's 7 o'clock. Nilaro na yung fighting for third kasi nga nahabol nila yung closing. And si Rondina 17 all. Yun, nag-overset. Open. Hindi nakuha. Roll spike. Hindi pa nakuha yung roll spike. 19 serving 18. Ito open lang. Hindi masyadong nagamit yung kick. 20 serving 18. Gihulngan called for their first time out. Biro nyo, no? Dahil nga sa sobrang higpit ng score. Kaya ito, ang tagal nagkuha ng mga tayo at mga ito na. Ang taas kasi ni Ramos. 19 serving 20. Ang ganda na reception. Ibinigay sa gitna. Oh! And then, ito yung small but terrible. 20 serving 21, set number 1 or set 1 for the 2 out of 3 bronze match for Sibira 2025. Ito nag-misreception, miss-set, miss-attack. Mandawi called for their first time out. Ito Ribon. Change of lead, 22 serving 21. And nag-ace pa. Nag-reset, tingnan natin. 3 ball. 22 serving 23. Napaka close. Tingnan natin. Binigay sa gitna. Standing spike lang, ha. At walang blocker. 23 all. It's 23 all. Ganda ng block. block. Tingnan natin sino makakaunang kuha ng set. Oh, higit po rin. Set point for Gilngan. This is set number 1 for the bronze medal for Sibira 2025 here in Bayawan. Wow. 24 all. Tingnan natin sino makakaunang kuha ng set. Soft spike. Binigay sa gitna. Hindi pumasok. Set point for the brown team. That is Gihulngan. Tingnan natin ito. Open. At ayun, nakuha ng set number 2. First point goes to Mandawi City. Three ball. Pasok. Nakuha. Ay! Hindi umabot.
Nakapulpo ang Bulandes din.
Ha? Wow, that's 2-0. Pinigay sa gitna. Ilulog. Nakuha. Subalit. Ayan. Hindi na follow up. Please serving 0. Again, this is bronze medal match for Sibira 2025 between Mandawi City and Gihulngan. Oh, nag-ace pa. Okay, nangyari. It's 4-0 for Mandawi. Tignan natin ito, pupuntos ba? Hindi sa open. Ayun. Balik nag-over. 5-0. Unbelievable but no. Ito at ayun. And block. So it's now 2 points for Gihulngan. 6 serving 2. Reception, ibigay sa opposite. Block. Bulandres. Ito isa pa. Free ball. Free ball po. Buti na naabutan. Iba talaga matangkad. Block. Up. Unang follow up. 7 serving 3. Oh, naku. Hindi naman. Pinigay sa open. Diba? Na-control. Gihulngan call for the first time out. Our score is 9-7-3. Then ito. Ramas. Nakuha. Open. At yun. Puntos for Mandawi. It's 10 serving 3. Medyo malayo ang score natin dito. Block for Bulandres. Okay, that's Bulandres. Gihulngan. Medyo malayo ang score. It's 11-7-4. What's happening? Ito.
Ari diri kaya.
Good spike. Dito sa open. Ramas. Ito, tinan natin. Again, this is set number 2. Unang nanalo ang brown team dito, which is Gihulngan. break. Yun. So, open ulit. By Ramos. It's 6 serving 12. Ito, free ball. Ganda ng agility ng mga batang ko. It's 13 serving 6. Set number 2. Outside. To the line judge. Not violation for the team involved. Seven, serving 16.
Dito. Dahil palibong Cesar. Alisar.
Tingnan natin kung nahabol pa ba. It's 9, serving 17. Ito.
Nakalang silian.
And a serve for Gihungan. It's now 10, serving 18. Easy push. Net violation. Inside.
Okay na. Sige, sorry. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
It's 19, serving 11. Binigay sa gitna. Wow, ayan. Mahirap na ka ng matangkad. Ito yung service specialist ng Gihungan. Oh, ganda ng opposite attack. Fourteen 20. One 14, set number 2. Open with Ramos. Back quick. Oh. Ganda ng block. 23, 17. Wow, ball check. Set point for Mandawi. So pag nakuha nila ito, we'll be going to the third and final set. Save. Natin, tatapusin ba at nagtapos. So, we'll be having the deciding set. Third and the deciding set. Miss, naikaling ko doon na dali, ha?
Yan ang muli talaga po.
First point goes to Gihungan. Sorry. It's Mandawi City who get the first point. This is again the third and final set with the set score of 1-all. Free ball. serving 0. Naunahan na agad yung Gihol nandito. Reception, nag-overset. Hindi ka sa gitna. Block. 1 serving 3. Umulog, nakuha. Shot sa gitna. Nakuha rin. Tingnan natin. Block, babulan. It's 2 serving 3 now. Binigay sa opposite at lumusot. It's 4 serving 2. Sak talaga. Five serving 2. Ganda ng serve. Tingnan natin. Soft spot. It's 3 serving 5. It's 6 serving 3. This is still ratio 25. Wow, good dig. Black babulan.
National High School.
It's 7 serving 4. Two-point lead for Mandawi. It's 5 serving 7. So, tingnan natin, free ball. Let's fight. Free ball for Mandawi. Binigay sa quick. Block by Ramas. Free ball. Outside. So, Gihol men called for their first time out. Kalahati na ang lamang. It's 12 serving 6. 1 to switch. Outside. 7 serving 12.
Sure, sir.
Oh, buti na lang. So, lumubo na ang lamang sa 5. Ano na bang nangyari sa kabila? Ang kanilang reception. Nangyari sa reception ng kuwan, Gihol. Free ball. Sira sa first ball ang Gihol. Hindi makagawa ng play. Ayun, buti na nag-outside. Medyo malayo. 9 serving 17. Hindi natin makakahabol ba? Open. Inside. Again, this is bronze medal match for Sibira 2025. Talagang nasira yung Gihol. From receive. Ayaw na mag-receive. Nasira talaga yung first ball. Kalahati ang score. It's 22 serving 11. So dumating na yung mga players natin ng Tanhay for the championship match. Sobrang buenas inside. 23-12. Ito, nakuha sa depensa at ibidiretso. Kaya natin. So, at wala na. Bronze point. Bronze point. Serving 24. Wala na to. Antabayanan nyo yung championship next to this.